Ready? Your turn. Oh, goal! Okay. Ooh. I'll pay attention to it. This is fun. Oh! Oh! Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of KhanFlicks. Today we'll be looking at Biñho, a tabletop miniature foosball soccer game table. I don't know, but you know what? I saw it online and I'm like, this is absolutely cool. We gotta check it out. Now they went ahead and graciously sent us two versions, one being the traditional and one being a custom KhanFlicks version, which we'll be unboxing. So if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. And with that said, quick word from our sponsors. This video is sponsored by Homari. That's right, this here is a 360-degree swivel chair by Homari, company seen before that makes a variety of unique furniture at a fraction of a price, giving you that magazine-worthy look. Now, this here is actually a really interesting one because it's got a nice teddy bear-like feel, as they like to describe it, and it's actually a really unique design, featuring a little bit of a bump right there in the back. I have to say it's actually a really cool look, and the unique thing behind this is it actually spins a full 360 degrees. That's right, almost like a carnival ride for your very home. But I have to say it is very, very comfortable, and it's great for reading books, talking to your friends, or just kind of hanging out. Now, if you want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. And with that said, back to the episode. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna jump into this and unbox the traditional one first before we take a look at the custom KhanFlicks one. All right, so that is this guy right over here. So this here is the Green Turf Edition. Now they got a variety of different colors based on what you're into, from different schools, colleges, teams, really up to you. You can even make your own custom one, which we actually did. So yeah, anyway, so pretty interesting box. It says bigger than a board game. All right, I can take that. And then built in America. Let's see here. So it does come with a little handle so you can carry it about, which is great. And then this just kind of opens up like this. Boom. Got some awesome looking quotes here. You got Muhammad Ali, Michael Jordan, a lot of interesting characters there. A little pouch. Okay, well that's kind of nice that they did include that as well. So before we look at the board, let's see what's in here. All right, so we have some accessories from what. All right, cool. So it does come with some yellow cards. You can go and slap that down on the table if you feel like something's going on. And then you got an instruction manual here, kind of explaining how to go ahead and set this up. It's actually pretty much pre-built, and does come with some extra pieces as well. So over here we got ourselves, looks like a token. I guess you can go ahead and flip this over and see who goes first. And then we have two balls, so that's kind of nice that they do include that. They have custom ones as well that you can purchase. And then we have these little, I guess, slot holders for our point system. So let's take a look at this thing. Oh man. Okay, so it's got some heft to it. All right, so definitely got a good amount of weight. So some first impressions, definitely a really interesting looking field. I say field because it has this great like grass-like texture to it. And then of course these will go here to mark what is our point system. So anyways, the way the actual field is set up is you have these two different soccer posts on the left and the right. You have these little metal posts as well. Technically you can unscrew them if you want to make it a little bit easier, but the whole point of it is that you take turns flicking the soccer ball, in this case the ball, to try to make a goal. So it's pretty simple in that concept goes. Now it does come with some boundaries, essentially some elastic bands. I mean, it is a very simplistic design, but they did do a great job with it. You can tell with the craftsmanship is literally spot on. Now, so simply to put it, just go ahead and take a ball, put it in the middle, and then you flip a coin, whoever goes first, and then you take turns kind of throwing the ball towards both sides, and obviously whoever gets to, looks like 7, wins. Yeah, besides the yellow card, we also have a red card as well, which is the opposite side. But yeah, pretty cool stuff there. Before we go ahead and play this, let's go and take a look at the custom board next, because I really want to take a look at that. So the custom board I asked for was a KhanFlicks version because, hey, why not, right? So I gave them a little freedom of doing it. All I did is provide my logos. Again, we have our accessory peg here as well. So this one's actually got some extra stuff going on in here. So like I mentioned, they do sell different balls. So they went ahead and gave us this one right over here. These are official balls. If you look at them a little bit closer, they look like actual like soccer balls. So really nice print, definitely high quality. Well worth it, especially if you really do enjoy this game. They gave us some extra soccer posts as well. And then some cards, and yeah, that's about it. And then, oh man, oh, this is so cool. Wow, check that out, KhanFlicks. I love the fact that my logo is integrated with it. And now obviously, you know, comparing them side by side, it's really up to you. You can literally change just about everything on here. And again, same material that like felt like, I don't know, like fake grass. But again, you can go ahead and put a logo, and they put my actual logo in there. So it's so cool that they can go ahead and customize it to your liking. And of course, with the color combination, they did give me some options. I went with this one. I thought it was really cool. Plus, obviously, having the OG version of it is really neat as well. And then, yeah, you just go ahead and play like that. So let's go ahead and grab someone to play with. I don't know, Zen, my cameraman there. You want to play with me? All right, come on. Say hi to the camera. Hi. So, Zen, how old are you?
4.
You're 4 years old. Okay. So which one do you want to play with? Do you want to play with the original green turf, or do you want to go with the black turf, KhanFlicks one? Okay, we'll go with the KhanFlicks one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I go first. Okay, you ready? Your turn. Oh, goal! Okay. Ooh. This is fun. Oh! Oh, goal! So I got 2. Oh, you got a point. 4. Oh, you got a point. 4. So Zen, what do you think? Was it fun? All right. Well, with that said, thank you once again, good folks at Biñho, for sending this over. And if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye. High five. Yeah.